Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista. In today's video we tackled the disaster that is my toddler's bedroom. Today's video is also in collaboration with my friend here on YouTube, Bethany Barber, so don't forget to go check out her video once you're done watching mine. I'll have her video listed in the description.
My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingers.
So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm switching out Oliver's clothes. He recently sized up into size 6 to 9 months because he is just getting so chubby that I had to size him up a little bit early, and it hurts my heart to do this, but it definitely needed to be done. I've been getting clothes out of this tote since I've sized them up, so I guess today was the day I had to do it. My hands are shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. So right here, as I'm putting that in there, I actually broke my fingernail all the way down to the quick. It hurts so bad, and it started bleeding, and I'm trying to show you, but it's like very fuzzy, but it hurts so bad. So I don't know why that happened, but I guess my nails are brittle. I mess with them all the time, but now that we've got that cleaned up, I'm going to start cleaning up all these toys. I'm starting off with all these little bitty blocks he got for Christmas. He poured them all out into his bedroom, and they just went everywhere. I think he just like tossed them everywhere. So the reason that he does not have his mattress on his bed is because in the middle of the night still he gets scared and he comes into our bedroom, and we get his mattress and put it beside our bed. That way he has a better way to sleep. So that's why his mattress is not in his room.
And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Now that I have everything finally cleaned up, as you can see, he still has a bunch of toys that I need to go through and get rid of. Sorry, you can hear Oliver in the background, but I'm just going to sweep and mop his room because it was definitely needed after that disaster of a toy monsoon. And that's going to be the end of this video, y'all. I hope that you enjoyed it. Hope that it gave you some motivation. Don't forget to go check out Bethany's video after you're done here. And I hope that you all have a great day, night, wherever you are. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.